Today we're showing you some incredible things you can enjoy for free in this magical city. From awe-inspiring views of the Alhambra to the vibrant streets filled with music, there's plenty to discover without spending a single euro. First on the list, the Alhambra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Spain's most iconic landmarks. While tickets to enter this historic palace complex are highly sought after, you don't need one to appreciate its grandeur. The exterior views alone are breathtaking. The Alhambra was originally built in the mid-13th century during the Nasrid dynasty and served as a royal palace and fortress. Its walls stand as a testament to the craftsmanship of Moorish architecture, with a blend of Islamic and Renaissance styles visible even from afar. Take a stroll around its perimeter, and you'll find several viewpoints offering stunning panoramas of this majestic site. The backdrop of the Sierra Nevada mountains adds to the magic. As you wander the streets of Granada, keep your eyes and ears open for something truly special: flamenco performances. Flamenco is deeply rooted in the culture of Andalusia, and Granada is one of the best places to witness its passion and emotion. These street performances, often held in public squares or along busy walkways, are a spontaneous display of art and expression. Flamenco's origins date back to the 9th century, blending Arabic, Gypsy, and Spanish influences. Watching the dancers and musicians create magic in front of an appreciative crowd is an experience you won't want to miss. Next, take a walk through Granada's historical centre. The city's rich history, stretching back over 1,000 years, is etched into its streets. You'll pass by medieval architecture, Moorish influences, and even the grandeur of the Spanish Renaissance. The narrow, winding alleyways are perfect for getting lost and discovering hidden gems. Every corner reveals something new. Whether it's an ancient church, a charming cafe, or a glimpse of the Alhambra from the distance. For a peaceful walk, head to the pedestrian street that runs alongside the River Darro. This charming area offers one of the best strolls in the city, with the Alhambra looming overhead on one side and the historical Albayzín neighborhood on the other. The River Darro itself is small, but its significance is large, having supplied water to the Alhambra for centuries. Walking here gives you a sense of calm, surrounded by nature, history, and the whispers of the city's past. Venture up to Sacromonte, one of Granada's most unique and culturally rich areas. Known for its cave dwellings, Sacromonte has been home to Granada's Roma community for centuries. These whitewashed houses, carved into the hillsides, offer a glimpse into a different side of Granada. It's not just the architecture that makes Sacromonte special. This neighborhood is the birthplace of Zambra, a traditional form of flamenco that is often performed in the caves themselves. Sacromonte offers unbeatable views of the Alhambra and the city below, especially at sunset. Finally, escape to nature with a visit to the Bosque de Alhambra, the forest that surrounds the Alhambra complex. This hidden gem is a great place to relax and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere away from the city's hustle and bustle. Originally designed as part of the Alhambra's water management system, the Bosque is full of winding paths, cypress trees, and hidden fountains. It's a great place for a quiet walk, with the towering Alhambra above you and the sounds of nature all around. Granada offers endless beauty and culture, and the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune to experience it. From the iconic Alhambra to the lively flamenco dancers, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. If you've enjoyed this video and want to explore more incredible travel destinations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Connolly Cove for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.